Good morning, students. Today we discuss about IP, neat topic, that is knowledge of successive IP values. So knowledge of successive IP. Knowledge of successive IP. What is knowledge of successive IP? So for example, in NEET level, this is actually NEET for NEET topic. So actually, they will give the element. From that element, we can find the valence electrons and which group it belongs to. That is, we will discuss. For example, I will give an example for this. IP values: IP1 200 kilojoule per mole, IP2 250 kilojoule per mole. IP3 1000 kilojoule per mole. Like that they are given. So here IP1, IP2 are nearby. But IP3, in between IP3 and IP2, sudden jump is there. Sudden jump. IP2, IP3, sudden jump is there. Therefore, sudden jump means it belongs to second A group. I will give an example. Which element this is? This is alkaline earth metal element. Like that. Alkaline earth element. Alkaline earth metal or second A group element. Second A group element. How can you find second A group element? That is, and it has 2 electrons in the valency. How can you find? So this element is second A group. Any second A group element will take, that is magnesium. Magnesium is 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. 3s2 electrons. Therefore, here 2 electrons are there. 2 electrons. This is first level, second level, third level. So the energy required to remove this electron is IP1. This energy is IP2. This energy is IP3. IP3. Therefore, IP1, IP2, IP3. So here this IP3, the energy required to remove IP3 is the second cell, from the second cell. Therefore, the energy required to remove this electron is 200 kilojoules. The energy required to remove this is 250 kilojoules. But you have to remove this. This actually is a dummy values. For example, I am taking these values. These are not accurate values. Just I am taking the dummy values. So here, this is IP3. So IP3 value is more, 1000. Here, sudden jump is there. Sudden jump is there. Therefore, this element belongs to alkaline earth metal. That like that. So it has 2 valency electron. Therefore, in between IP1 and IP2 sudden jump is there, that is alkali metals are first A group elements. IP2 and IP3 sudden jump is there in between IP2 and IP3, that is second A group. IP3 and IP4, that is third A group element. Like that we can find. So I will write here. I will write sudden jump between IP1 and IP2, that is alkali metals. Alkali metal, first A group. First A group means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So these all are elements are having IP1 and IP2 sudden jump, first one. And their general electronic configuration also sometimes they are mentioned, NS1, and having number of valence electrons are 1, like that. So I will give an example for this. Sodium. Sodium will take, or any element will take. Next, second one, sudden jump between between IP2 and IP3. IP2 and IP3, that is alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals, that is second A group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. This is. After that, third one, sudden jump between IP3 and IP4. That is third A group elements. Third A group, they are aluminium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium. So for this NH2, NP1. So this is about sudden jumps. Sudden jump. I will give an example for this. I will give one more example for this. Sudden jump between IP2 and IP2 alkali metal. Sudden jump between IP2 and IP3 alkali metals. Sudden jump between IP3 and IP4 third A group element. General electronic configuration is NS2 NP1. After that, I will give an example for this. So IP1 is 100 kilojoules. IP2 is 200 kilojoules. IP3 is 300 kilojoules. IP4 is 2000 kilojoules. The general electronic, the outermost electronic configuration of the outermost electronic configuration of the element. So first one, NS2, NS1, NS2 NP1, fourth one, NS2 NP2. So which option is correct? NS2 NP2, like that. So here, same question, we will give different pattern, we will ask the questions. So the outermost electronic configuration element is NS2 NP1. Why? Because these are outermost electrons, means the energy required. First electron IP1 is 100, next to second electron 200, that is 300. So these are outermost three. We want to remove fourth electron, we require more energy. So sudden jump between third and fourth. Therefore it has three valency electrons that belongs to third A group. So third A group element, like that they will ask the questions. So therefore here sudden jump between 3 and 4. Therefore it belongs to third A group. Therefore like this they are asked outermost electronic configuration. After that same question we will repeat like this in different pattern. I will take second question. IP1 value is 100. IP2 value is 1000 kilojoules. The element is first one sodium, second one calcium, third one beryllium, fourth one carbon. So here sudden jump between IP1 and IP2. Therefore IP1 IP2 sudden jump is there. Therefore we are considered that it has NS1 electronic configuration. NS1 electronic configuration. NS1 electronic configuration for the first A group element, that is sodium. So sudden jump between first A group and second A group, they belongs to alkali metals. So after that, next question they will ask like this. IP3 1500 kilojoules. So it belongs to first one third A group, second A group, fourth A group, next one fifth A group. So the answer is third A group. So sudden jump between second and third. Second and third means second A group. This is second A group. Second and third. So best example is magnesium. We will take magnesium 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Here 3s2. Here 2 electrons are there. 2 electrons. Therefore, the energy required to remove is IP2 and this is for IP1. Therefore, sudden jump between 2 and 3. Therefore, this is also sudden jump. So, sudden jump between IP1 and IP2. That element belongs to alkali metals. And after that, next question, I will give one more question like this. Same question, same type of question. So, IP1, IP2, IP3. The element is first one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Second one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Third one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Fourth one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3p, 3s2, 3p5. So the answer is first option because the sudden jump between second and third. So gap is there, gap in between 2 and 3. Therefore, it belongs to second A group, that is alkaline earth metal. Sometimes they will ask the metal, the element is like this. They will ask same question like this. Same question. Which metal is? That is alkali metal or alkaline earth metal or chalcogen or halogen. Like that they will ask the question. So this is about sudden jumps of IP values. Sometimes they will ask the valency electrons. The successive IP values are 200, 300, 1000. The valency electrons in that element is 2 electrons only. This is about sudden jumps of IP values. So sudden jump between IP1 and IP2 that belongs to alkali metal. Sudden jump between IP2 and IP3 that element belongs to second A group. Third and fourth jump is more, that is third A group. Sometimes they ask the elements also. So they will give the symbols. You can find out the that one. So this is about sudden jumps and successive IP values of the ionization potential.